Mr. PVG Raju, The People's King. On May 1st, 1924, a boy was born at Pulbag Palace, Vijayanagaram on 1st May 1924 to Maharaja Alaknarayan and Vidyavati Devi. Everyone was happy that a boy was born, but they don't know that this boy can change their lives forever. His name is PVG Raju, also known as Pusapati Vijaya Rama Gajapati Raju. His early education was started at Columbia University in New York and the Residential College in Madras and the Central College in Bangalore. When he returned to Vijayanagaram, he saw people struggling for education, and he donated some of his land at Golconda and the 1000 acres surrounding it for the Sainik School in Andhra Pradesh. It is the first Sainik school in Andhra Pradesh. He was the Pro-Chancellor at Andhra University, was instrumental in establishing of the Department of Nuclear Physics. He got interested in physics when he met Albert Einstein, a well-known genius scientist. He married Sri Kusuma Gajapati Raju and had 3 children, Sri Anand Gajapati Raju, Sri Ashok Gajapati Raju and Sri Sunita Gajapati Raju Garu. He was elected as the member of Madras and Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly during 1952 to 1956. He again became a member of the Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly between 1960 and 1971. He also served as the minister in the Council of Ministers, and also he donated some land at his fort in the memory of his father and named it as Mansas. Today it is a trust, and the full form of Mansas is Maharaja Alaknarayan Society of Arts and Sciences. He also served as the president of Andhra Pradesh Cricket Association. He is also having lands and properties in Benares also. Now we call it as Varanasi. And the great man was died on 14 November 1995 at Simhachalam. He is also the founder of Simhachalam Devasthanam, and he is the last Maharaj of our Vijayanagaram. He may not live on the earth, but he still lives in our heart. A book was released on the occasion of Dr. PVG Raju by the royal family of Vijayanagaram at Fort Vijayanagaram. This is a must-read book. You will get more information about his noble works. And this is the book Spurti Pradatta Vijayanagaram Maharaja. Thank you.